Hello, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So in this video I will explain you, it look like a very complex automation, but it is not a complex. Some simple stuff I will explain you what happens. So basically I'm sending a lot of you can say things in a message in Telegram to my customers. So whenever they click basically on backend, there is a webhook added. So whenever they click on any button, so we get idea this person is want to proceed with this thing, like we have categories of document contract. So similarly, and let me show you basically what happened whenever someone click on a link. We have to get a exact row about, because on the webhook I added a row number as well, so it automatically detect the row from the Google sheet. After that, in this scenario, now there is a two things. One, there is a folder already created for related to that person. If yes, then that mean it's already in our Google sheet about their link. So now come to the situation. Let me explain you the help of history of this flow. So if you can see, this is the history of flow. So if first of all I will show you the bundle. If you can see, the row number is 36 and document is 5. Document 5 is mean the fifth number contract. Okay, so basically we use IDs to identify what type of contract user want to proceed. So similarly, after I get all the information from the user, if you can see, if I already have a link to drive, it's mean this person is already exists. If does not exist, that's why it does not go above and does not require need to create a folder first. So that's why if already exists, is go below down and check this condition. So similarly it's good. So create a document from template. So template document I will show in the other space. If I find where is the thing is this. So similarly it will create the specific document according to if my fifth contract, it's automatically my create field and automatically map those fields which are required in this contract. After that, we're gonna update the document link. It's created, and after that download that document and send that document to that user. This your contract is ready. So this is how this automation works. So thank you for watching, and I hope you watch like a video. If you like a video, please subscribe our channel as well. Thank you so much. Or if you need any help regarding automation, please do comment on the comment section.